जय हो, जय हो, जय हो। चक्कर पे चक्कर घूमता है वो, दफ्तर दफ्तर घूमता है। जब सर पे सर सर साएं चले, तब दाएं चले या बाएं चले। चक्कर पे चक्कर घूमता है वो, दफ्तर दफ्तर घूमता है। कभी नंगे पाँव दौड़ता है और सर से पत्थर तोड़ता है। कभी बाएं सड़क कभी दाएं सड़क, कभी बीच सड़क पे धड़क मुसद्दी चला मुसद्दी चला मुसद्दी चला मुसद्दी।
तो मैं कह रहा था अभी ऐसे तत्व उड़ाएंगे, ऐसे तत्व उड़ाएंगे, ऐसे तत्व उड़ाएंगे।
क्या हुआ?
तो उड़ गया।
क्या? Congrats, sir, for completing amazing 5 years. Happy journey, sir.
Hi Abhishek, congratulations. You completed 5 years. It was great working with you. Hope to have another 3 to 5 years working with you.
Congratulations, Abhishek, for completing 5 years in Aspect. Good job done, and it was always a pleasure working with you. All the best.
Congratulations, Abhishek sir. This is a proud moment for us that you have completed 5 years in Aspect, leading a team, and really it's been a pleasure working with you since 2007 when I started working in Aspect as a contractor. I have never seen someone as dedicated working as you, and congratulations once again.
Hi Abhishek, congratulations on having completed 5 years of service with Aspect. I'm perhaps one of those many to be saying this to you. You've been a great individual and a great manager, in addition to all the company has wanted you to be. Though I haven't got much time to spend with you, in the little I did in a few projects, I can easily say you've been a great source of knowledge and information, leave alone the quality experience you've displayed in all you did. You are someone who could do a presentation about anything for any duration on earth, if I can say the least. I cannot count the times I've had myself in awe of your communication, control over language, and articulation. You've been a great example. There's definitely much more, but for now, I just conclude by saying I wish I get to work more with you. Thank you.
Hello Abhishek, I'm Santosh. I'm very lucky that I got a chance to wish you today. Congratulations for completing 5 successful years. You might be seeing me for the first time, though we had a couple of telephonic conversations. I still remember the long conversation which we had over the phone. That was one of the biggest learning for me. Congratulations once again, and wish you all the best, good health and successful year ahead. Thank you.
Hi Abhishek, congratulations. आपके 5 साल पूरे हो गए हैं, and I hope कि आपको वो घड़ी मिल जाए. I think custom में है. Moreover, we look up to you क्योंकि आपके पास all round knowledge है. जब हम ट्रिप पे भी गए थे, आप you were telling us about the hills. In fact, lunch के time पे we get to hear a lot about you, and we hope that we get to see more of you in fact. All the best. Congratulations, celebrations. Party देना इस बारी, okay? आंसू आ रहे हैं। एक में 5 साल की कंप्लीट कर ली। तो इतनी खुशी है मुझे। क्या ही बताऊँ, मेरी को आँखें भराई भगवान जी को भला करे। तो और हिम्मत देके वो और 5, 10, 15 साल ओके।
देख तो लो।
अच्छा तू रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है? कितना बदतमीज है यार।
अब बोलो, मैसेज बोलो फटाफट।
Hi Abhishek, congratulations for completing successfully 5 years in Aspect and all the best for your future. I hope कि आप और ऊंचाइयों को छुएं and
Yes. Hi Abhishek, congratulations. Just one thing, just wanted to know, how can you spend 5 years in the same company? And I hope you spend the next 5 years in some other company. All the best.
Ting ting ting. Hi Abhishek, congratulations. Have a great life ahead.
Congratulations for completing 5 years in Aspect, and I'm really excited for you. All the hard work and everything that you have put in, I really get inspiration from that. So congratulations once again, and all the best. Thank you. Bye.
Hi Abhishek, wish you many congratulations for achieving this success. 5 साल एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, obviously I'm not that old enough to comment anything right now, but मैं भी सोचता था कि मैं भी किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में 5 साल बिताऊं, पर अभी मेरे टोटल एक्सपीरियंस कुछ 6-6.5 साल है और मेरी ये तीसरी चौथी कंपनी है. बट ऑब्वियसली समडे आई विल रीच टू दैट लेवल. बट आपके लिए आई वुड ओनली से आई हैव ऑलवेज सीन यू वर्किंग so hard, concentrating on your work, totally giving everything to the work. सुबह से शाम तक उसी डेस्कटॉप में बस आंखें गड़ाए. बट out of the office you are totally different person. I couldn't had imagined unless and until I had seen you out in Dhanolti. That was a totally different experience for me to see you. It was a totally paradigm shift for me and everybody out here in the office to see you like that, कि जिस हिसाब से आप बाहर एक अलग पर्सनैलिटी हो और अंदर एक अलग पर्सनैलिटी हो. I would just give you a small suggestion, small piece of advice कि जैसे आप बाहर हो, थोड़ा इंटरनली ऑफिस में भी थोड़ा सा अपनी लाइफ में वो चेंजेस लाओ. बी ए बिट जॉली पर्सन, बी ए बिट इंटरेक्टिव विद अदर्स, बिकॉज जो उससे पहले सबको परसेप्शन था आपका लेके कि यू आर टोटली डेडिकेटेड टू योर वर्क फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग और हमेशा अपने डेस्कटॉप में लगे रहते हो. सो माई ऑल बेस्ट विशेज आर विद यू. विश यू अ वेरी वेरी सक्सेसफुल लाइफ. May you continue your work with Aspect or any other organization. So may God bless you always, forever. That's it.
Hey, hi Sachin.
Hi Sagar.
So Abhishek Sharma has completed 5 years of his duty.
Okay.
And we all are sharing some message from our side. Would you like to share something?
Oh, thanks, Krishna. Yeah, Abhishek, remember that day we went to Chandigarh along with Puneet Bugra, you, myself and Don Bristow, driving all the way to Chandigarh to fix Ensemble Pro issues. Good man, I still remember those days. Nice that you're still with Aspect and we're working together.
So, any other advice for next 5 years?
Next 5 years, please be healthy. Please stay healthy. That is all we ask from you.
Okay.
Take care, man. Have fun. Hope you spend another 5 years and complete a decade in Aspect.
Sir, was that a curse or was that a boon from?
I mean, however you want to take it. That's a boon from us, but if you want to take it as a curse, I can't do much.
Okay.
It's actually a boon.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, sir.
Thanks, sir. Hello, Prasanna.
I don't know Abhishek, so Prakash.
Abhishek Sharma has completed his 5 years in Aspect. So, anything that you want to share with him?
Complete Samba. Lovely experience. Nice working with you, yeah. Let's hope so continue to do that.
Okay.
How about Qtel experience with him?
That he don't want to say.
Prasanna, you're free to say anything that you want. None of the words that you say are gonna get beeped, so you can say anything that you want.
It's okay.
Tijo,
What, man?
yes. Can you share something for?
Abhishek, man.
Can you share something more for him?
Share?
Yeah.
I have some cake if you want.
Anything else, just rather than long living. He's still living in
What
Aspect.
do you want me to say?
Whatever you feel like. He's completed 5 years of his tenure.
Oh, good, man.
We have a nice host.
Yeah. Sure.
Host, sir. Question.
How about Tijo's experience with Abhishek in Etisalat?
You had some personal experience with Abhishek.
Personal experience.
Yeah, that is what he told.
Nothing. Everything's personal, man. There's no business.
Yacht club, what did you guys do?
Huh?
Yacht club.
Yacht club. No, man. Good. Have a great time. And live life well. Put on weight.
That means what you want to say, whether you
What happened finally, man? You were supposed to do something yesterday.
You're talking about Abhishek, correct?
Yeah.
Put this in camera.
Sahana.
That's a beautiful training room. Oh, she knows. Hey, Saril from Continuing Engineering. How are you? Well, you know our manager Abhishek Sharma. He's completed. Abhishek Sharma. Okay, well he's in APS. He's PMO, senior PMO. No. Well, just say congrats.
And he passes from this office.
He finished. He completed his 5 years. So you have.
Congrats.
Okay. Tara.
So he will pass from this office.
Hey Adam. How are you?
Okay.
You know Abhishek Sharma?
Who the hell is he?
Okay, sorry.
We're disturbing you, sorry.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah.
Fine.
Cheers!
You know Abhishek Sharma?
Abhishek, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, forget it. Abhishek Sharma? Senior manager?
Senior manager?
No?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Sorry. Hey, nobody knows him, man.
I don't know. We'll search for some more people.
Let's check the smoking zone. Hey, Tijo. Hey, what's up, Tijo?
Good, man. All good.
Hey, man. We have a senior manager, Abhishek Sharma. You must have heard of him.
Okay. Yeah, I do.
You do? Okay, so he's completed 5 years of his service with Aspect. Do you want to wish him?
So what?
No, you want to say congrats or something?
Congrats on his 5 years.
Congrats to you, by the way.
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
Nobody came to take a video of mine.
Okay. We'll let that. We'll take it up with corporate. No problem. Thanks. Abhishek Sharma, पता है आपको? क्या? Abhishek Sharma. नहीं.
Hi, Vishal.
Hey.
Abhishek Sharma has completed 5 years in Aspect. So you want to say something?
Oh, wow. That's the company. He's not there, huh? And now he completed. He rejoined, is it? Okay, congrats.
We should learn how to be more patient.
Patient with him or?
No, he knows how to take more stress, how to be more patient.
Show the ball and talk about it. Show the ball to camera and talk about
We don't have time
patience.
We bought a big yellow line for Abhishek Sharma.
Patience and pressure.
Done, man. Show him the small line as well.
Yeah, show small first. That's what happens after pressure. After 5 years. No, that's what happened after 5 years. Ball goes
Before and after.
before and after.
So this is Abhishek Sharma before joining Aspect. This is Abhishek Sharma after joining Aspect.
Talk about ball.
I said Abhishek Sharma has completed 5 years of his tenure in Aspect.
I'm still not retired. Still working for Aspect, huh?
Yes.
Good.
So I think so now he's got his gratuity, so he can plan to retire.
Yeah, I hope. I mean, I will advise him to retire soon, man. I mean, we'll work together for another company.
Okay.
Okay. And by the way, he's a nice guy, nice chap, and everyone is trying to kill him. But I think I will, show some kind of sympathy to him.
Okay.
Okay. And let's see, if he gets into better position than what he is today.
Okay, great. Thanks for your feedback. Hi. Can you tell some few words about Abhishek Sharma? He's completed 5 years. Can you tell a few words about Abhishek Sharma? No. He's completed 5 years of his duty. Can you please say something?
Please say something.
Okay. Yes.
5 minutes.
So, as usual, Arun is busy and he doesn't have anything to say. Can you say something about Abhishek Sharma? A few words of your own.
What to say?
He's completed 5 years, sir.
5 years. You have to say.
No.
नहीं बाद में बोलता हूँ अभी नहीं ये
Yes, sir.
What's happening?
What's happening? Abhishek Sharma has completed 5 years of his duty.
Good for him.
Good. Can you say something? Can you say some words about?
Okay, about Abhishek Sharma. Fine, to deliver high standards of integrity and a strict adherence to ethical behavior. Don't disturb me. We have to cultivate an environment that fosters long-term relationships, and that's exactly what Abhishek Sharma did. I'm very proud of him.
Okay, good. Anything more? Any advice for his next tenure in?
Yeah, actually, I suppose he should stay for another 5 years, and to maintain high levels of confidentiality of our customers, corporate and personal information, we have to develop software and solutions that respect privacy to all users.
Okay,
Thank
great.
you.
That's great. So Abhishek Sharma has completed 5. This is so dark. Okay, now it's fine. Abhishek Sharma has completed 5 years of his duty. Can you say something about? You want to give some message?
He's a great project manager. Basically,
How can you say that?
No. I started in my first project in Aspect with him only.
Okay.
So he has such a nice person. He is a Genpact. So it was. No. The project was in Genpact, and then it was the customer is very hard. Then he managed it very well. But still, we are doing it.
Okay. So just because of Genpact experience, you have given him the full credit. It's a very tough customer to handle.
Most of the project, most of his customizations, most of the projects I done with him only, QNB. And what are the projects I done along with him?
Thank you. It's getting a little boring.
Thank you. Okay. Abhishek Sharma has completed 5 years of his duty. Would you like to give something?
Who's Abhishek Sharma?
Abhishek Sharma.
Abhishek Sharma has completed 5 years of his duty. Can you say something for him?
What can I say? He's a great project manager.
Okay. As some more piece of advice, something which you want to say for the next remaining years he wants to work in Aspect.
I want him to work in the Aspect for his life.
Lifelong. So is there a boon or that is a curse?
He has to take a call.
Okay. Sir, excuse me, sir. Abhishek Sharma has completed 5 years of his duty in Aspect. Would you like to say something about him?
Yeah, good. Congrats.
Do you know who Abhishek Sharma is?
No, I don't personally know him. I know he's into project management.
I've heard of his name, but
I don't know him personally.
Okay. Thank you. Abhishek Sharma has completed 5 years of his duty. No. So why you're getting scared? It's okay. Abhishek Sharma is not here. Don't get scared. He's completed 5 years of his duty. What do you want to give him as a message?
Who is Abhishek Sharma?
That's fine, but still you want to give some message to an unknown person. Okay. So Abhishek Sharma is.
Neil.
Retire from Aspect.
Retire from Aspect.
Ask him. How about Abhishek?
And he's heard Abhishek Sharma and he's running away. That's the final. Sir, do you still have time for Abhishek Sharma or not yet?
Of course I have time, yeah.
Can you say something?
We are running out of time too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you still have some words for him?
We need him more for another 5 years and we need his service in all the areas.
I am looking,
especially in pre-sales.
I am seeing he will take up the next higher opportunity very soon.
Yes, I too wish him.
Okay.
The next higher opportunity, you know, guys, right? So we all wish him for that.
Okay, that's good piece of words. Thank you very much. Karthik Dash. First of all, do you know who is Abhishek Sharma?
And I heard about it.
You heard about him. You want to give some piece of advice to him?
Advice?
Yes.
I'm not in that level to give advice.
In the sense he's completed 5 years, so you want to just share something,
Yeah.
which you feel like sharing.
I never worked with him, but I know he's a good manager.
So you've not met him?
No. I met once in Delhi.
Okay. So like any more future things that he needs to do after his completion of 5 years, some bomb blasting and all that stuff.
Bomb blasting.
In aspect.
Okay. So he can do that.
Raghu Iyer. Mr. Raghu Iyer, please wait. Mr. Raghu Iyer, Abhishek Sharma has completed 5 years of his duty in aspect. Why are you running? Mr. Raghu Iyer. Hello, excuse me. So Raghu is still busy.
Hey, first one.
You want to say something for Abhishek Sharma? He's completed 5 years of his work. He's completed 5 years of his work in aspect.
Congratulations, Abhishek, for attending this milestone. I hope you will attend many more milestones like this in aspect. Now, I don't know if you like that, but that's my wish. Thank you.